In the heart of Phoenix, Arizona, landscaping is not about forcing greenery into an environment where it does not belong. It is about understanding the Sonoran Desert, respecting it, and designing a landscape that feels as though it has always been there. A true Sonoran xeriscape does more than save water. It restores a sense of place and replaces imported ideas with native forms, native plants, and native rhythms that belong to this land. This guide walks step by step through transforming a traditional grass lawn into a natural low-water Sonoran landscape using native Phoenix area plants only while preserving the wild, timeless character of the desert. Part 1. Eliminating the existing grass. The first step is removing what does not belong. Traditional turf grass is not native to the Sonoran Desert and requires constant irrigation to survive. So, before any physical removal begins, the grass has to be prevented from coming back. This is usually done by spraying the lawn with a non-selective herbicide, like Roundup, and it is crucial to apply it evenly and follow the directions carefully. The goal here is effectiveness, not speed. You really need to allow enough time for the grass and its root system to fully die, so regrowth does not end up undermining your new landscape. Alright, now we are moving on to part 2, removing the grass. Once the grass is taken care of, it's time to physically remove the grass. For large areas, a sod cutter works best. It slices right beneath the turf and lifts it out cleanly. Curved edges, corners, and tight spaces require a shovel, patience, and physical effort. Careful handwork here creates a clean foundation and prevents uneven settling. Part 3. Establishing the focal tree. Every Sonoran landscape needs an anchor. A large native shade tree becomes the heart of the design, providing cooling shade, wildlife habitat, and structure. Phoenix native choices include desert ironwood, blue palo verde, and velvet mesquite. So, the tree should be planted early and given enough space to mature naturally. That way, it can help shape the rest of the landscape as it grows. Part 4, creating natural mounds. The Sonoran Desert is definitely not flat. Gently shaped soil mounds add a sense of undulation depth and shadow to the landscape. They should never be placed too close to the tree, and their shapes need to be curved, irregular, and patternless. No straight lines or symmetry at all. This mimics natural desert terrain while improving drainage and creating microclimates. Part 5. Planting the saguaro. In an open, sunny location, the saguaro cactus is an iconic symbol of the Sonoran Desert. Planting a legally sourced saguaro preserves a living symbol of the desert and anchors the landscape visually. It should stand alone with open space around it. Part 6. Planting smaller native plants. Smaller native plants bring the landscape to life. Use only Sonoran Desert natives such as brittlebush, creosote bush, fairy duster, desert spoon, barrel cactus, and prickly pear. Alright, so when you're planting, go for odd-numbered clusters of 3 to 5 and space them about 4 to 6 feet apart, rather than just lining them up evenly. In addition, add strategic boulders to complement the plants. Now let's move on to part 7, installing drip irrigation. Even native plants need some water while they're getting established. A drip irrigation system delivers water right to the root zone. It's best to water deeply but not too often, so you encourage those roots to grow deep and build up long-term drought resilience. As plants mature, watering schedules can be reduced. Use smaller gravel like 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch in natural Sonoran tones such as tan rust and soft brown. The gravel should blend in, not stand out. Part 9. Maintaining a natural look. A Sonoran xeriscape should never look manicured, and maintenance is minimal. Remove invasive weeds, prune only when necessary, and allow plants to grow naturally. In conclusion, a true Phoenix xeriscape is a collaboration with the desert, not a design imposed on it. By removing thirsty grass, honoring native plants, and embracing natural patterns, the landscape becomes timeless, conserves water, respects the land, and truly belongs.